Hi, I'm Jessica Skarzinski for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside our fall 2018 issue. Are you ready to find love after a cancer diagnosis? You're not alone. Thousands of survivors want to date without having to explain themselves. Our cover story, In Sickness and in Health, shares dating websites designed specifically for people with cancer. Next, fertility can sometimes be pushed to the side after a diagnosis is revealed, but protecting parenthood is possible. Another feature dives deeper into a new movement that aims to secure insurance coverage for patients who undergo fertility preservation before treatment. And about 2.8 million people in the United States serve as caregivers to someone with cancer. Inside this issue, we highlight caring for the caregivers. Learn about time management, coping mechanisms, decision-making, and support group participation from those who have walked in your shoes. Also, should men with prostate cancer have surgery to remove it? Hear from experts on both sides of the aisle. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.